man, it is intimidating learning something new. That's why you need someone who's been there before, who can show you the best way from point A to point B. And that's what North Idaho Rock School is all about, is coming alongside students, mentoring and coaching them to become the musicians that they want to become. And more than that, it's a school where you can develop relationship with other people with your same passions, and to grow as a musician alongside other people. And so that's why we're going to start offering regular open mic nights where you can come and perform a piece and hang out with, make some new friends and have some good time that way. There's going to be a lot more opportunities in the future for you to become the musician that you've always wanted to become, and that's with North Idaho Rock School. Thanks.